Welcome to the video. We're here in Palawan, Philippines. It's our second time in the Philippines, but first time in Palawan Island, where we land in Puerto Princesa, the main city of the airport, where we got our pickup to go see one of the New7Wonders of nature. Here's Claudius, happy to arrive in Philippines, and after a short drive, we arrive in one of the New7Wonders of nature. This is a worldwide poll made by millions. Those were the 28 initial semi-finalists, including amazing Angel Falls in Venezuela. Feel free to check out the video link right now. Out of the actual 7 wonders of nature, there's Iguazu Fall in Brazil, and we have videos both for Brazil and for Argentina. In this video, however, we will go further down the list and look at Vietnam, Ha Long Bay. This was actually when Claudius was 3 months old, and we did a world trip in 25 countries with a small baby. This baby has grown since then, and as you may know, Claudius is like me, a world traveler. He is now having fun on the beach, awaiting our transportation to reach the national park and enter this new world wonder of nature. In the meantime, Claudius loves his breakdance. Even on the beach, he exercises everywhere. And this is where we are in the Palawan Island of Philippines. Water was hot, and we would swim and snorkel in the following days. After just arriving in the Philippines, we were waiting for the boat to bring us to the national park and having fun. Isabel and Claudius are quite excited to see this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which underground caves have you seen? Comment below. Are you afraid of the dark? Out of the nature wonders that I've seen, this wasn't the most impressive, but it's well worth your wow if you're in Palawan. More on Palawan Islands in the Philippines in our series, and also more on the 7 Wonders. I will try to do a new 7 Wonders, man-made 7 Wonders, which I've seen all 7 video very soon. If you want to see that or any other video, please comment. And once again, thanks for watching. More videos to come soon, and looking forward to see you soon.